In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed a Calendly booking calendar into a Kajabi course page. We'll go through the full process from Calendly to Kajabi so you can place your booking calendar directly inside your course experience. This is useful if you want students or clients to schedule sessions without leaving your site, and the setup is very straightforward once you know where each option is located. First, open your Calendly account and sign in. After you're in, select the event or booking page you want to add to Kajabi. Make sure you choose the exact event type you want people to book, since the embed code will be connected to that specific booking page. Next, click the Share button and then select Add to Website. Calendly will show you a few embed options here, so choose Inline Embed and click Continue. The inline option places the scheduling calendar directly on the page, which is usually the best choice when you want the calendar to appear naturally inside a course lesson or content area. Once that opens, copy the embed code. Now switch over to Kajabi and sign into your account. From the main dashboard, click Products and open the course where you want to add Calendly. After that, click Customize. This will take you into the page editor where you can control the layout and content that students will see. From there, select the page or section where you want the booking calendar to appear. Think about placement before you add it. For example, you may want it near coaching instructions, a lesson about next steps, or a section where members are invited to schedule a call. Once you've selected the right area, click Add Content and choose Code. This creates a code block where you can paste external embed code. Go ahead and paste the Calendly embed code into that code block exactly as copied. It's usually best not to edit the code unless you specifically know what you're changing, since even a small mistake can stop the calendar from loading properly. After pasting the code, click Save. That stores the changes in your Kajabi page so the embedded calendar can display. Finally, preview the course page to make sure the Calendly booking calendar appears and functions correctly. Check that it loads fully, fits nicely within the page, and allows bookings as expected. If something doesn't look right, the most common fix is to go back and confirm that the full embed code was copied and pasted correctly. And that's it. You've successfully added a Calendly booking calendar to your Kajabi course page.